then tasmadatra sukhopayam Srimannada Manahatam Guru Upadishtena Margena Manayah Saupasate, then Sopi Rakta Vihinatvat Namanoranjako Nudam Rakta Vihinatvat. Ragatvam, Ranjakatvam is missing in that because it is an internal effort. That nada, anahata nada is merely an internal effort which has no expression at all. As long as there is no expression, it cannot please all the people. All the people want music because it pleases all. Sisurveti, Pasurveti, Veti, Ganarasam, Fani, like that it is explained in our tradition. So in such a way, music has such impact over all the people. Even a Sisu stops weeping when he listens to some music. Pasurveti, even the animals are attracted by music. And Veti Ganarasam Fanihi. Nadaswara, when Nadaswara is played, even this snake starts dancing because of the impact of the music. So music has such an influence over all the people in the world. That is why this Anahatanada has no impact over anyone because that Anahatanada is an inner practice it is. That's why it won't come out. That's why when those who are not successful in attaining the highest through Anahatanada, they are recommended to follow Ahatanada. That is, Tasmada Ahatanadasya Surtyadi Dvarato Akhilam Geyam Vitanvate Lokaranjanam Bhavabhanjanam. So, then who even cannot follow the path of Anahatanada can follow the path of Ahatanada. This Ahatanada will help us to attain the moksha in a proper manner. It will please all the people because all the sounds are produced properly and they will please all the people. For instance, Matah Kim Yadunatha Dehi Chashakam Kim Tena Patum Payaha Tannastyadya Kadastiva Nisi Nishakava Andhakarodayaha Amilyakshiyugam Nisapyupagata Dehiti Maturmuhu Vachojam Sukha Karshanodyata Karaha Krishnasya Pushnatuvaha. When this metrical composition is sung in the following manner, it pleases all the people. But if it is just recited, read as a prose content, Mataha kim yadunadha dehi chashakam kintena patum payaha tannastadya kadastiva nisi nisha kava andhakarodayaha amil lakshayugan nisap japagatam dehi iti matur muhu vachojam sukha karshanodjatakaraha krishnasya pushnatuha. Like that. Simply if it is read like a prose content, it won't please anyone. That is why this Ahatanada helps us to enjoy every piece of expression. That's why Yadi Harismarani Sarasam Manah Yadi Vilasa Kala Sukutuhalam Madhura Komala Kanta Padavalim Srunutada Jayadeva Saraswati Srunutada Jayadeva Saraswati. In such expressions also, they are called Giti Kavyas. They are mainly dependent on music. That's why when we recite such shlokas in such a style, prescribed style, they have a pleasing impact over the listeners. So that is Ahatanada is easy, very easy to be followed. That's why they recommended, in Sangeeta Ratnakara, they recommended this. Next, the same Nada Dvaividyam. Ahata Anahatatvena ja Dvedha Gadito Budhaihi. The scholars classify this as Ahata and Anahata as explained earlier. Anahate Atusukshmatvat Avyaktatvat Naraktidaha. So that is Anahate Atusukshmatvat. It is very subtle. It cannot be heard. It is an inner music. That's why it cannot impress all and it cannot be possible to be followed by all. That is so it is not Raktidaha. It cannot please all. Then Srutyadi Dvarato Geye Janayan Raktimahataha. Ahatanada is that through different shrutis, two different swaras, two different ragas, it pleases all the people. That's why Srutyadi Dvarato Geye Janayan Raktimahataha. Atman ekagra bhavena bhukti mukti prayachati. Again he repeats constantly. In Sarangadeva repeats this bhukti mukti. Moksha from the Janana Marana Chakra. Avidyaya mantare vartamanaha swayandhira panditam manyamanaha dandramyamanaha pariyandhi modaha andheneva niyamana yathandaha. As explained in Kathopanishad and in all other texts, Upanishadic texts and other texts on philosophy, we need renunciation ultimately. We need salvation ultimately. For salvation, this one should come out of this cycle of janana maranas. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jathare sayanam. Every time, soon after one death, we enter into another birth we come out through the womb of mother. So this is a regular experience for all jivas. From this cycle, we should come out. For that, we should practice all these things. They recommend. So that is mukti. And bhukti, as I explained, that is the experiencing the result of all our past deeds in the same birth, instead of attaining many births to experience those the result of past deeds. If normal course, if we don't offer bhakti, we don't follow the path of devotion, if we don't follow the path of any other moksha marga, then we have to take many births, some thousands and thousands of births, to get released from the cycle of this Janana Marana Chakra. Whereas, if we follow any one of these, particularly the easiest is Nada Yoga, that too Ahata Nada Yoga. This Ahata Nada Yoga helps us to be relieved from the effects of all the deeds of our past births. So this is how it is explained. So, Nanadena Vinagitam Nada Pradhanyam. What is the importance of Nada? They say, Nanadena Vinagitam Nanadena Vinaswaraha Nanadena Vinanratam Tasman Nadatmakam Jagat. They say, Nanadena Vinagitam. If Nada is not there, no Gita is possible. Gita is text-based singing. As I was explaining you, Meghair Meduramambaram Vanabhuva Shyamastamadrumaihi Naktam Bhirurayam Tvameva Tadimam Radhe Griham Prapaya Itham Nandani Deshatas Chalitayoh Pratyadva Kunjadrumam Radha Madhavayor Jayanti Yamuna Kule Rahakelayaha. This, like this, the texts which can be sung, they are called Geetam. So, which can just be read, they are not Gadyam, and they are not Geetam. That's why, Nanade Anavina Geetam, that Nada is not there, then there is no Geetam. Nanade Anavina Swaraha, Shadjarshabha Gandhara Nishada, Pajjaba Dhaivataha, like that we have Shadja and Rishabha, Gandhara, Madhyama, Panchama, Dhaivata and Nishada. These are the Saptaswaras, Sarigava Padani we say. For all these Saptaswaras, the source is Nada. That's why Nadena Vinaswaraha. So, if Nada is not there, no Swara is possible. Nanadena Vinanrittam Vina Nada. If Nada is not there, Nrittam also is not there. Actually, in the Natya Shastra, we have 4 types of Abhinaya. Chaturvidha Abhinaya. That is Angika Abhinaya, Vachika Abhinaya, Satvika Abhinaya, Aharya Abhinaya, like that. Angika Abhinaya is the gestural histrionics, that is, the gestural movements. And according to the rasa, Sringara, Hasya, Karada, Raudra, Veera, Bhayanaka, Bhivasabhata, Shantaha, like that, we have all the 9 rasas, out of which Prakriti is the that is Shanta rasa, and all other rasas are Vikritis, they are called. So the 8 rasas are the emergence of Shanta rasa, and again they merge in Shanta rasa. That's why these are called Vikriti rasas, and Prakriti rasa is Shanta rasa. So these 9 rasas which are there, according to rasas, we change our feelings in our faces, facial expressions, as well as movements of our body. The change in the movements of our body and facial expressions, that is because of Angika Abhinaya, it is possible. So it is called histrionics. And the second one is Vachika Abhinaya. Entire Sahitya comes under Vachika Abhinaya, and Geya also, Geetam also comes under Vachika Abhinaya only. So this Vachika Abhinaya, the recital of the text, supports our dance expression, and Sangeeta also is involved in Vachika Abhinaya only. So on this context, in this context only, Bharata explains the importance of, he also mentions all these as variations of Nada, and Nadopasana, he gives importance for it. And Nada as the source of Sangeeta, he explains there in the Natya Shastra of 36 chapters and 6,000 shlokas. And the same was taken by the later writers like Sharangadeva and others. So, Nanade and Avina Nruttam, Tasma. The fourth one is, the third Abhinaya is Aharya Abhinaya. The fourth one is Aharya Abhinaya, means the attire, according to the character which is being played by, enacted by the actors. That is called Aharya Abhinaya. And the final one is Satvika Abhinaya. Satvika Abhinaya is the combination of all the other three Abhinayas. In this manner it is explained. Tasman Nadatmakam Jagat. Hence, the entire universe is said to be the resultant of Nada. And it is the very form of Nada. Entire Jagat is the very form of Nada. So, Nada Abhidhanam, Nada Bhedaha, Nada Sthanani. Like this. In Saranga, this Sarangadeva in Sangeeta Ratnakara, he explains. Atma vivachamanoyam manah prayarayate manah dehastam vahnim ahanti saprayarayan marutam. So this is the process through which Nada is emerged. Atma vivachamanoyam, the Atma, that is the phenomenal self. It is not the ultimate self, he explains. The phenomenal self, vivachamanaha. As explained in Rikprasakhya, Vaktrihayam, when the speaker desires to express something, the pranavayu starts its journey. It was explained in Rikprasakhya. Similarly, here also he says, Atma vivakshamaanaha ayam vivakshamaanaha. Yada vaktumicha vivaksha. So, having a desire to express something, this phenomenal self starts its effort to speak something. Then vivachamanoyam manah prerayate. It encourages the mind to constitute certain things. The content of words. Then manah dehastam vahnim. In our Jatara, there is Agni. Jatara Agni. It encourages Agni. This mind encourages Agni to express. Here, interestingly, in the Yoga Shastra, we have 4 levels, that is Para Pashyanti, Madhyama, Vaikari. These are the 4 levels of our expression. These 4 levels of expression are connected to the 6 chakras in our body. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Ajna, and Sahasrara is the highest, Brahmarandra. The journey of Nada begins in the Mooladhara chakra and reaches the Sahasrara chakra. In between, when it starts, the parasthai of expression was seen in the womb, that is Moolakanda, that is Mooladhara chakra. Therefore,